we can progress the bridge from the regular bridge, the weighted bridge, and the bridge march is a single leg bridge. So what you'll do here is bring one knee up towards your chest, either with your hands. You can also just hold it with your muscles there. And what you're going to do is keep your core tight, squeeze your glutes, and raise up. Pause for a breath in, breath out at the top, and back down. Like I said, you can keep the leg up by itself, or you can support it with the hands and really push through those glutes. Go as high as you can, pain-free.